Recording in progress.
Yeah, my bad. Not really sure what happened there. My power just fucking flickered. We got the 4-hour candle closing here in like 5 minutes, so looks like it's gonna close above our 1787 zone here, so that's pretty good. Seem to be continuing the bullish movement. Some sort of pullback here maybe, and then continue on. Probably won't be able to catch a trade by the looks of it until London close though, because this candle is going to close in 5 minutes, and we're probably going to need the next candle to close to give us some sort of certainty. GJ pushing, but too many resistances in the way. Can't really trust volume at this point with GJ. What's up, Patrick? How you doing, man? Ali, welcome back, man. Welcome back. Sorry about that. Not really sure what had happened there. Little power outage.
Oh, welcome back.
What's up, man? What's happening? My power just went out of nowhere, man. That's some bullshit.
No, it happens.
Shit, I'm in the States. That shit ain't supposed to happen over here.
No, part of life, bro.
Yeah, it's funny. It happens like, I mean, it's sunny out, you know? It just happened out of nowhere.
Yeah.
It's fucking sunny out. Power company could be doing something to the thing, though. Because it
Yeah.
happened right at 8:45. It was like right on the dot. Yeah, we still got nothing here, man. We still got nothing. Probably won't be able to execute on anything until like 9:30, 10 o'clock.
Yeah. But we will get something, bro, done today.
Yeah.
Because we have broke the range and we will just waiting for some setup. We will get something.
Yep, exactly.
GJ also trying to go up. No, but in the range, still in the range. Maybe Muhammad sleep.
Yeah, he caught his profits. He's all good.
Yeah. No, you know, bro. If anyone take risk, then you know, if you take risky, then after this whiskey.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. And everyone has own trading plan, and I don't break my plan.
I second that. I agree.
If I will get my setup, then 100% I will get. No, I will took that trade, and I will book profit 100%. I know, but I need to my setup. That's it. No, maybe 30 minutes candle close below this 1780, 1789, 90 range, but I think it can come to 1791, 950 because we have wick and something we have volume at the time, but no wick candle on M30. Saw M30 chart on gold, no wick candle.
Yeah, no bottom wick here.
H1 also no wick, and yeah, no bottom wick, man. Oh, who took the trade?
Now, guys, I'm closing out my trades.
Oh, Muhammad, come back. Oh, bro, I was surprised, man. Who is taking the trade here?
Yeah, I'm just securing. You know, I took another trade. I'm securing. Just took another
Oh,
trade, 20 pips, secured. So the rationale to that trade, as the stream had just went off, I told you guys I wanted a rejection to that zone around 18,
yeah,
1786, 1787. I said so, right? You remember? So the thing
yeah.
is, when we had a rejection from the daily, I looked at that area as an area of interest. How? What I wanted to see is the 5-minute closing bullish, creating
Mm-hmm.
support. When 5 minutes created support there, I took an entry. Actually, it went down fast. So the moment it started to break its own high on that 5 minute, I took an entry. My entry was about 1788.13. That's why I took an
Mm-hmm.
entry from. My stops just below that wick, that bottom wick of that bullish 5-minute candle. And
Uh-huh.
my target was retesting that high again of the daily.
Wickfield on
Yeah, exactly.
10:30.
A retest of the
Yeah,
high on the 5 minute.
yeah.
So I took that trade, and now I'm about in 20 pips I've secured, and I've just left a runner again.
No,
So like
it means you got 3 trades today at the same place. Yeah.
2 trades in the same place.
Okay, it's fine then. Call it a day, bro.
Yeah, it's a day, man.
It's cowboy.
It's, I know it's something I've seen in something I've seen on gold. You know, like
Yeah.
mostly if I'm to try to find good trades, and when I know that the market is really trending, I normally use the 5 minute when I know what the market is really doing, because it really moves fast. That the higher time frames will do, but at some point there are trades that you're going to miss on the higher time frames when you
No,
already knew
we
what
have
this is doing.
we have another thing important. We have manage risk. It's important.
Exactly. So that's the most important thing in this game.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
if you know how to manage your
Then
risk, you're good to go.
then you can enter anywhere, exit anywhere, no problem. If you know risk manage, everything will be fine.
Yeah. So I'm up for the
No,
day, man. It has been
yeah,
a really.
no that
It started
that
like a day that for me. It started like a day that I was not going to trade at all. I was not in anything.
yeah,
It just all
no
started up
that
from this stream. You know, I just came like, let me go and chill with the guys and just have a vibe. Nothing to do.
yeah, that
But
means
now,
today is Muhammad Day, yeah?
yeah.
Not Thursday. This is Muhammad Day. It's good, bro. Last 1 and 5 months, 1 and 6 months maybe, I just put myself on discipline only, consistent trade on same pattern, same setups. Okay, I don't aggressive on impulsive. I don't aggressive on supports and resistance. Okay, I just waiting for my setup. If I get that took the trade and 10 pips, 15 pips, and it's enough for me. Okay, that's why I am waiting for something, and I will get.
Yeah, you will get, but don't force it to go as well. Yeah, just take it
Yeah,
slow.
of course, bro. I never ever force myself to trade. If I will not get before NYSE or after NYSE 15 minutes, then I call it a day, because we have night here. We have right now 7:30 night. So I will in the market 1 hour, 1 more hour, just 9 o'clock, and call a day. Have some dinner and some rest.
Shit, my day is just getting started. It's time to make that bread.
Yeah. Yeah, my day start and my day end, bro.
Sure. Also, my day is also ending. It is 7 p.m. over here. Sorry, it's
Yeah.
5 p.m. It's 5 p.m. over here. So
Oh, 5 p.m. It means the Moscow time and your time is equal. Your time is 5 p.m. 6 minutes. Okay.
yeah, 5. Yeah, exactly. 5 p.m. 6 minutes
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
So
No, last 6 years I lived on this time, bro, on Moscow, Russia.
this
That,
kind of time I have, it gives an opportunity to trade London and NY
yeah,
at the
yeah, yeah,
same
yeah.
time.
No, we have Indian times is good for trading on London because we have London opening here afternoon and NY opening before before evening or some after evening. So it
Yeah,
is good time for us both sessions. But Asian is not good bro. That time I sleep as like Mike sleep as London. This is 2 o'clock, 2:30 p.m.
yeah.
a.m.
Asia is not
Yeah,
good.
and Asian,
I'm
bro. Sometimes volume, sometimes no volume. That's why I did not follow it.
Asia too as well. I'll be sleeping.
Yeah. No, Mike need to change the country because Mike, bro, you need to trade on London, bro. It's
Yeah.
very good, really. Because because I did it, bro, from last 2 or 3 years, no consistency. I get most of the profit from London. NY, NY is just looking like that. Sometimes I get, sometimes no, lots of momentum, lots of volume. So if I did not get my setup, okay, no problem. I already get 2 trades on London. So I just satisfied myself and took some dinner and rest on bed. That's it. But I living alone because my family is another place and I am another place.
You a bachelor?
Yeah, of course, bro. Yeah, I am 26, 27 right now.
We're the same
I
age.
just I just finished my college, bro, last year in medicine.
How long were you in college?
6 year, bro. 6 year. We have medicine in 6 year. I was in school in Moscow. That was 6 year. Yeah, yeah. Master in medicine, but I want to try to master in trading. Maybe it is better achievement for me. Oh, candle has rejected from that level, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
What
So
you
you
doing?
see, that's same now.
So, Mike, bro, which subjects are you finish your college?
I say what?
That's why
Uh,
I had to close out and that prediction come back again from that daily high. So that makes it now tough.
we are
That
unable to listen
turns
you, bro.
out into a range now. Nothing, nothing
Muhammad,
hit
bro,
there.
Muhammad, bro, we are unable to listen you. I don't understand what you want to tell. No, because your internet may be so damn. Yeah, tell us again. What do you want to say?
Yeah,
Sounded.
when it gets to this point, my internet dies off. Like seriously, I don't know why.
Yeah, no, you should to change your country. No, you should to come to Mike. No, Mike has good internet, bro, and you together took some good trades. Yeah, you took on London, and Mike will on NY. You will select after London.
Guys, I'm sorry, my internet sucks right now.
Yeah. No,
What I
I
was
want
trying
to.
to.
I want to
Yeah.
shift on Dubai, bro. After maybe 1 year.
What's up, guys?
What's good, Jake? How you doing?
Pretty good. Been a while.
Oh
Yeah,
man,
hell
you are.
yeah.
Oh.
Back from the dead, innit?
Yeah, bro, we are living and he came right now. Yeah.
Yeah, had a busy week.
Okay.
It's been a
No
nice
problem.
day. It's been a nice day for some of us, you know what I'm saying?
That's sarcastic.
No, it's, Harith's been catching some pips.
Yeah, today is Muhammad Day, bro. We have no Thursday. We have a Muhammad Day because he took 2 trades, man, over and over.
That never gets old.
Hey, bro, how are you?
Me, I'm good.
Oh, it's fine, bro.
We had you know, I bid on those foreclosure auctions, so we just had those this week, which
Oh,
a lot goes into that. So I've just been like sleeping in the past 2 days, recovering.
Hell yeah, you guys get some good deals?
Got one good one. This month was really light. We were like super conservative on everything, but we still got one pretty good deal. Had like 100K profit margin on it.
Nice.
But the rehab's probably gonna be like 30K.
Yeah, so you guys always like just do fix and flips, right? Like you're not doing like long-term rentals or anything like that?
We're converting 4 of ours that we have right now to rentals, and getting like a whole crew on that. But we are gradually getting into long-term rentals like next year.
Got you.
Get a little portfolio going, like I don't know, 40 houses or something.
Got you. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Yeah, that's definitely like a long-term goal of mine. Get into some long-term rentals, just some cash flowing things like that.
Oh yeah, it's easier than you think,
Oh yeah.
but I mean it's not easy. Like there's a lot of like red tape you gotta know about and stuff, but after you get like a year in or something, I mean it's pretty much just the same stuff over and over again.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, there's a couple that I follow on Twitter. I think they're like the financial couple or something like that. I can't remember what their name is, but they talk about like their journey, and like it's like realistic, you know, like it's not like like you see a lot of these people where it's like, oh, I have like 3,000 fucking units, and you know, it's like, all right, dude, like I'm not gonna get to that level overnight, you know. So like it's a little bit different, but they're like pretty realistic, and like as far as like just like a standard couple that makes like average, you know, income. But I think like now they have like 3 or 4 properties, and like the first like 2 or 3 are like completely paid off, and they're just long-term rentals, you know. But yeah, they're crushing it, and I think they only been like doing it for like the last like 3 years or something.
Do you know if they're doing any short-term rentals?
I don't think so. I think it's all
Airbnbs?
long-term. I think it's all long-term.
Yeah.
yeah, long term always fine, bro. You stick your plan for long term.
Yeah, for a while it seemed like Airbnb was going to be really hot, but I've been seeing a lot of people like talking about that it's like slowing down, like Airbnb
me too.
host. Which it makes sense because people don't really have the flexible income like they had like when, you know, the US was just giving away money for free during COVID and shit, you know, so
Yeah, that's what it's all about.
the economy is kind of going down, so I think that's like becoming a problem.
Yeah, inflation is increasing day by day.
But I mean, if you got long term, you know, like people always need a place to live, you know, so I mean, long term.
No, we need to. No, I have a plan. I did it. No, I accumulated no some investment on shares also. No, on the daily basis, I know about some US stocks and some our Indian stocks. I accumulated it maybe for 10 or 15 years, and some passive money from rent, and I invested it on the stocks, and it gave me returns, lots of returns.
Yeah,
So
stocks are
this
good for
type,
sure.
yeah, these types of things we can always good, because inflation is increasing day by day, but we are not affected from this because we already invested something for our future.
Yeah, it's a good feeling.
Yeah.
I just don't really know about like rentals. I mean, it's great and they're like super safe. They're really good for
Yeah,
people with like less
this is the
experience.
this is the 100 pure passive money. Now,
But I mean, like, if I can make 60K on one flip in like 2 or 3 months, it
Yep.
just seems like it just it just feels a lot easier.
Yeah, no, I agree. That's the thing. Like, that's why I was asking you about it because I've kind of noticed that like a lot of people that like people do one or the other. They don't really do both, you know. Like, so that's one thing I've
Yeah.
been noticing.
I mean, literally the only reason I'm trying to get like the owner into rentals is literally just to pay off the overhead in like a down market, which is basically me, like pay my salary in a down market without taking like a negative hit.
Yeah.
Just have a little bit of cash flow.
Yeah, and I mean you
yeah,
you know your decision making at that point is a lot less pressured. You know, if you got your overhead covered,
Yeah, like you can
then
just fuck off like,
yeah.
for the quarter or something and not have to worry about paying money out of pocket.
Yeah, dude, that's one of the biggest reasons like me and my business partner, like our coaching business failed was because our monthly overhead was like 40-50K and we didn't have a reoccurring business model, so we were constantly relying on new sales, you know. So it
Yeah,
was
see, that's tough.
yeah, it was stressful. Every like
That much overhead.
yeah, we would come to the end of a pay period and like it would just restart and everything goes back to zero, you know. You're like, "Oh fuck," you know, like here it goes
Yeah,
again.
it's a tough one.
Yeah.
One to stick to.
But now like with our cleaning business, like we literally have nothing. You know, we have like probably $200 a month in software and shit. Like we have nothing at all. Cleaners are
Yeah, that's
paid
the
based
thing.
on jobs, so you know they just get a percentage of the amount we collect, and that's it. You know, we don't have any costs. It's fucking beautiful.
That's the way to do it. I would rather have that than like have a lot of income and still have to worry about overhead.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. It definitely has its like pros and cons, you know, like but I mean if you like you said, you know, you got a reoccurring model that covers your monthly overhead, you know, like that's a game changer. You start to breathe.
Yeah, exactly. Well, shoot, if you want to get into some flips.
Yeah,
Probably
honestly like that's something I'd definitely be interested in talking more about. Like I'm always looking for like good opportunities to, you know, invest in shit like that.
Yeah, I'm trying to stick here another year just because it's like a prime opportunity to learn everything, just completely hands-on. And so I'm trying to do at least another year. But then, I mean, I'm pretty ready to just go out and do it.
Hell yeah. Are you still in college or you graduated?
No, I graduated a couple years ago. I turned 26 on the 22nd.
Okay. Got you. Yeah, no, I was wondering if that was like something you got into like through an internship or something.
No, it was right after college though.
That's dope. So you've been doing that the last couple of years then?
Yep, well, I did that for a year, and then I worked at Zillow for a year.
Okay.
And then they went bankrupt, so I got laid off. And then the wife of the person I worked for initially started her own thing and hired me, reached out.
That's dope. That's dope. Shitty situation turned into a good one.
Yeah, I really did.
Learn a lot more doing what you're doing now than at a big ass company like Zillow, you know?
Yeah, dude. Zillow was dope, but like...
What were you doing there? Were you doing like advertising sales?
No, I was in their iBuying division.
Oh, okay.
So I was their pricing analyst, like determining the values of the houses.
That's dope.
Before we made the offers to the people, because we were competing against like OfferPad and all that.
Yeah, that's dope.
Yeah, they ended up buying like everything at market value, like in a attempt to just kind of get the word out there. And then like with the kind of mindset of like charging more or offering less like in the future to actually like turn a profit, but they just bid off like way too much and ended up having like $250 million in debt or something, or no, $500 million in debt, and just couldn't continue it, so they just closed the whole division, fired like 3,000 people.
Damn, that's wild.
Yeah, it was a big fail. It was like all over the news, like comparing it to like Lehman Brothers and shit.
Damn.
It's like, damn.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's the thing, you know, like this, like, I mean, that's honestly kind of, we experience like kind of the same thing. Like when the economy is good, everything's going good, business is going good, you start to think like you're like goddamn superhero, and you just start making dumbass decisions. Like, I mean, they're not dumb, you know, they're risky decisions, but because everything's been good for so long, you don't think about it going bad. You're like, oh, whatever, you know, it'll be fine. Yeah. And then starts to go south, like the economy's shit, and you know, you're like, oh crap, you know. But
yeah, it's
turns red really quick.
Yeah, but it's like what they were doing. I was like, you can't just buy houses at market value and expect to do it for that long.
Yeah, for sure. Especially at that scale, you know, like if you're just taking a couple light risks, you know, it is what it is. But down $500 million, that's a lot of damn properties that you gotta sell after you bought, you know.
As the market's depreciating.
Yeah.
Oh well. Hey, did y'all catch this 8:30 to 9 move on GJ?
On GJ?
Yeah.
No, I've been staying away from this just because of the damn all these resistances, but no, we were looking at this on gold like right as it was breaking this like 30-minute high right here at 8 a.m. Like basically just anticipating, you know, the New York Open volume to push it. It was also like the break of the high on the 4-hour, and the daily candle was like already pushing bullish, you know, so we were like anticipating it to continue to break the high there, which it played out, but me and Sartaz ended up not taking it just because of the past resistance here. But that's the one that Harith took. He took it here, but he actually took it like as it had broke above here and retested on the 5-minute to continue.
Yeah, smart. It's a good level.
Yeah, and it was actually aligned. It was aligned with the Comex Open too, so it worked out perfect for him because as soon as he got in, it was like the 820 candle open, I think, and then the volume pushed him bullish, so it worked out perfect for him.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
No, GJ ranging at this time, but I think if it will break 167, 190, then we have some fill-in range till 167, 400, like 20 pips.
Yes.
Before I don't.
Just mark up that daily range and wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been pretty choppy here on GJ.
I took one sale on morning, but that was very impulsive, based on H1. After London, maybe on the London opening candle. It was 167, 70, 51 to 167, 651. That is 10 pips. But it was risky, man, in the range trading overall. Gold looks like good. If it will break 192, then it can go 96.
Yeah, it might be solid here on gold if this 30-minute closes above this zone here, and then the next candle goes to break the high, because that would be the 1 hour candle breaking its own high and then continuing to fill the wick on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
The 4 hour would be pushing to break, the previous candle's high, clean traffic. I think that might be a good opportunity. It's the only thing I don't like about it is just the fact that we've had like all these bullish candles on 30-minute. My common sense is telling me that there's bound to be a bearish candle somewhere, but
but it has potential to go at least 17, 96, 95, 94. Yeah, it has potential to go based on daily or H4 candle.
yeah, I agree. It'll definitely be key for it to make a wick down and then go break the high. If it breaks the high immediately, it's going to be pretty risky.
Maybe it will close above this range, 190, 53. If it will close in the range, then it will be dangerous. Oh.
GJ has just been irresponsible to trade for a while.
Yeah.
A while.
Oh, yeah. GJ rejected on M30 maybe.
Gold has had pretty clean market structure.
Yeah, for sale, yeah.
Yeah, it's still weird though.
Because candle opening with no topic.
Gold,
And we
yeah.
have M15, we have 3 rejected candle, man. Solid rejections.
Yeah. You're bearish on gold?
No.
You're bullish?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say so as well.
Yeah, this breaking here like at the open is a little treacherous.
My bias is bullish based on weekly. Previous weekly candle is a good bullish, and it has already respect the previous candle low and it
Yeah.
is pushing up. Maybe it can break on his high and then continue 1812, 1815 or 1830. That's why my bias is
Yeah, daily looks really bullish.
yeah.
Past two candles are nice. Yeah, something I've been doing since I've been busy last couple weeks have been I've been trading the daily candles on like
Oh,
10 pairs basically, like just look at the new candle every close and just waiting for a wick to happen and then a flip in the previous candle's direction. It's actually pretty nice.
yeah.
Like really simple. You have to check it like once a day basically. Set some stops.
Yeah, another thing that got to be cautious about with gold here is the hourly still hasn't closed above this zone. So might
Yeah.
No, we need to wait.
might be better for a London close setup.
I think if it breaks its current high though, so enough confirmation.
Yeah, and that would be
Maybe,
like
maybe.
30-minute.
Yeah. Maybe it will get some liquidity and break the high.
Well, it's 9:30, so there should be something going on here.
One would think.
Yeah.
But it's kind of the same reason I didn't take the this trade down here based on, expecting volume. It's like you never know when the volume's gonna come, when it's gonna be there or not.
Yeah.
Well, that's why you gotta execute assuming volume.
Yep, take that bet. Put that cowboy hat on and take that bet.
Well, I don't know if it's cowboying. If you don't expect volume, then you're just gonna always be reactive.
Yeah, for sure.
So Raja just like enters a trade and then it just like shoots in his favor.
Yep.
Doing enough
Waiting for the
times.
bus to take off and catching a ride along the way.
No, this happened on London Open. No, many times I took trade on London. Okay, I left some runners like 50% or something, and till NY. It happens mostly on GJ, pound yen.
What, expect volume?
Yeah. GJ maybe GJ sell below 16630 is best till 165990, 30 pips, 35 pips.
1664.
16300 till 165974.
No, I haven't.
I saw the GJ pound yen whole day, man, but I have some discipline. No, I did not trade. No, I never ever trade on no range. That's why I am just waiting for breakout or take in. Looks like call. Gold is pushing down. Maybe it will create some wick on H4. Maybe yesterday create same thing, and maybe H4 candle closed and some create some wick and fill the wick after London closed. Same thing
Yeah.
happened yesterday, yeah, Mike. Mike.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah. This
Oh,
thing is pulling back.
yeah, goal.
Peace, love you.
Uh, goal telling us, bro. You know what telling us? Goal telling us you cannot trade me.
Yeah. Exactly.
Just get out. Just get out from here.
Yeah, I mean that's the
Oh,
thing. Like it
man.
went to break this high like pretty much immediately, and then the 1 hour, you know, it still hadn't closed above this zone. So
Well, we just have the next session move from that point there.
Oh, who is here? Mohammed, bro. Mohammed, bro. I told you you need to call a day.
No, I'm not trading actually. I've been just journaling actually. I just went to journal my thought process about the two trades I took, and that's it.
I just joking, bro. I know you are disciplined and you took already trade. It's good, bro. Need to
Like
conversation.
now, seeing this type of things, you feel like, oh, what's really going on with gold? How people are being slaughtered from those highs who are trying to buy it up.
Yeah. No, you know, that's why I did not buy on high, bro. Never ever. If candle will close, no above range and something, no, to make some support, and like if I am 13, any one candle, like bullish candle, then I took buys. Otherwise, no. You can.
At the moment, we are probably running out of volume, so that's why gold is now twerking.
H1 low already break, no, previous candle low.
yep.
So
You know, this is funny because I've seen gold do this, that to go and break the lows just to pick liquidity, deeper liquidity grabs before it really goes back up and go wherever it wants to go. So you have to be careful with that as well. It can go that deeper break and then just pick liquidity. It wants more liquidity to push all the way through that zone.
yeah, I saw many times, bro. After NYSE open, 1 hour candle break the low, and at the same time, same candle broke the high and continue go up. I saw many times. And maybe today, same.
Alright, we're gonna shut it down for today then. It's 9:30.
Yeah, it's not trade day for most of you guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if it forms some sort of support and see if it goes to retest the highs.
Have you taken any trades
Yeah,
this week?
maybe.
This week, yeah, I've taken a couple of them. I think I know I took buys yesterday right here as the highs were breaking. I can't remember what else I took off the top of my head, but yeah, I took a couple of trades. They've all been like pretty much London close.
Yep.
But yeah, I'm gonna wait and see if there's some sort of support that forms. Harith, we're getting your bullshit internet again.
Yeah, I mean, that's what it is. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get that PC list to you today.
Oh hell yeah, appreciate it. No sweat.
It's nothing special. I mean, it's really just like any components kind of thing, but I'll still get like a little general list.
Hell yeah, no, that's appreciated for sure.
Yeah, all good.
Word up. Well, you guys have a good day. We'll catch up tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, bro.
Alright, see y'all.
Alright, adios.
Cheers.